So, when you want breakfast, but you don't want breakfast, you get fancy with it, and you decide to make some breakfast burritos. With some chicken, some onions, red peppers, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of salt. But of course, a sprinkle of some special reserve white pepper, a little bit of olive oil as the cooking base. Got the eggs all scrambled up, ready to go to add in. Of course, what do you complement this kind of healthy dish with? None other than some low-carb tortillas. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Almost done. Gotta wipe the lens from the steam there. Oh, yeah, look at that fuzzy fit. Now, while the burner's hot, it's sitting there ready. Let's get some tortillas done real quick. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. It's the only way to do them. I mean, how do you do your tortillas? Boom, instantly, quick, done. Tell me, how do you do your tortillas? Do you do them straight on the burner? Or you do yours in a pan? Tell me, how do you do yours? Oh, just hearing that sound. The beef filling. The beef filling. The beef fiesta cheese for the wife. Me, personally, no cheese, thank you. The wife, she likes a little bit of cheese, though. So we gave her some cheese in there. Then you got it rolled. Not my best roll, but it's okay. Getting back to butter. Now on to the next one.